Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's stainless steel tea kettle collection. A stainless steel kettle is a must, or is a classic for a stovetop item. And Cuisinart offers both contemporary and traditional stainless steel kettles. We have four styles: the Artiste, the Solace, the Heritage, and the Classic. Made of stainless steel with a brushed stainless housing, has an ergonomic handle as well as an easy fill top, and it also has a whistle to let you know when the water is done. And the great thing about these kettles, they're also dishwasher safe. Okay, we have the Cuisinart Classic, Cuisinart Heritage, Cuisinart Solace, and finally the Cuisinart Artiste.